Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. Let's get started in a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes as you take a deep breath, breathing in through your nose, expanding your belly, and let it out through your mouth. Again, let's take a deep breath, breathing in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Do that one more time at your own pace. And when you're ready, you slowly drop your head forward, bringing your chin to your chest. And now drop your head back, chin to ceiling. Again, drop your head forward. And drop your head back. Come back to center as you lower your right ear to your right shoulder, placing your right hand on top of your head, feeling a stretch in the left side of your neck. Make your way to the other side. Come back to center as you lift your left arm up and over, coming into your side body stretch. Make sure you're breathing in and out through your nose. Switch sides. Come back to center. Circle your arms up overhead, touching at the top. Take a big inhale. Exhale, twist to the left. Right hand to left knee. Left hand to the couch. Look over your left shoulder. Turn your head, bringing your chin to your right shoulder, feeling a little stretch in the neck. Bring your chin back to your left shoulder. And come back to center as you reach your arms up, touching at the top. Take an inhale. Exhale, twist to the right, looking over the right shoulder. Bring your chin to your left shoulder. Chin back to right shoulder. And come back to center as you fold forward, allowing your arms to hang, allowing your head to hang, releasing any tension that you might feel in the neck, the spine, the shoulders, the arms, and you're breathing here. Slowly roll back up and just take a deep breath at your own pace. And when you're ready, let's straighten our right leg out to the side keeping that left leg bent, and you just fold over the right leg, taking some deep breaths and flexing that right foot. Slowly make your way back up, and we are going to the other side.
There's no me without him. Please help me forget about him. He takes all my energy.
Rise back up as you turn to the side so that you can straighten both legs out in front of you. Reach your arms all the way up and forward fold. Relax your head, your neck, and your shoulders, and focus on your breathing.
I need to tell you all the pain he's caused. I need to tell you I'm undone because I gotta find peace of mind. I know now I have to face. I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible. The temptations of my past, but I know.
Make your way onto your back. Hug your right knee into your chest or your right shoulder, and start to take some circles with that right foot, or you can just flex and point the foot. Begin to extend your right leg up towards the ceiling as you flex the right foot, and gently pull the leg closer towards you. And for a few seconds, let's lift our shoulders up, bringing our forehead or our nose really close to our knee, pulling it in, and relax it back down as you hug your left knee into the chest, taking some circles with that foot. And now you extend that left leg up, flex the foot, and pull the leg in close to you. Lift your shoulders, bring your forehead and your nose in close to that leg. Big, deep stretch. And lower it down, coming into your final resting pose, Shavasana. Let go of everything here and just focus on your breathing. Take one more big inhale in through your nose. Let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.